All right, you have finished your project that is in one of these oval or circle hoops, and now you need to cinch the back closed. So that's what this tutorial is on. You've finished your project, and now you want to make sure that you don't see the rest of it, right? All of this extra stuff. To do so, what you want to do is start out by cutting around the outside of it about an inch, maybe an inch and a half around it. It doesn't have to be exact. As you can see, I'm getting a little bit wider in some areas, probably a little narrower in other areas. As long as it's about an inch, I like to say. Around, you're pretty good. Okay. All right, so you've trimmed this all around. And now you want to cinch that back close. So to do so, I'm going to turn it around, and I'm going to take any color of my yarn that is left over. So it could be your white, your green, your red, it really doesn't matter because you're not going to see this. And I'm going to tie a knot on one end, and I'm going to string it through, of course, one of the hand embroidery needles that comes in your kit. Now I want to go and do what we would call a running stitch all the way around the outside here. Okay. And you're going to just do it, about halfway from the very outer edge to your hoop. Don't overthink this part. It really is as simple as just going in and out, just like so. Okay, so you're getting to the end of your piece. You're ready to cinch this up. So what you'll do is just, here's where my knot started, right? And I'm getting to the end. I'm just going to take my needle off of my yarn here. Just pull that off. And then I want to take my knotted side and just kind of tug on both sides of that so that it cinches your fabric around. So just give it a nice little tug, a nice little pull, and all of that is just going to cinch that up, just like so. Tie it in a knot, and you're done. Now it's ready for hanging.